Welcome back friends. Previously we learned about the HCF, highest common factor. Okay, highest common factor means what? We are finding the factors and from that factors we are taking the number that is highest. Okay, if there are two in a both in the factor of both number, then 2 take out common. If 3 is there in both number, then we can take out common and then we multiply 2 and 3. Whatever answer we get, that is 6. That will be our highest common factor. Today we will start the lowest common multiple. Okay, LCM means lowest common multiple. Multiple. How to find the multiple we already learned in a previous video. Okay, we are finding the writing the tables. If we don't need to find the multiple of 2 and 3, we are writing the multiple of 2 means 2, 4, 6, 8. If we want to find the multiple of 3, then we write 3, 6, 9, 12. Likewise, we can find the multiple means it is like a table. Here we need to find the lowest common multiple. We also learn how to take out common multiple. કોઈ બે નંબર આપ્યો હોય અને એના common multiple લખવા હોય તો શું કરવાનું? Write down all multiple of first number, then all multiple of second number, and we write the common number between them. For example, if number is 6, 4 and 6, and common multiple. Okay, if we want to write common multiple between 4 and 6, then we can write table of 4, likewise, and after that multiple of 6, now common multiple will be 12, 24, 36. Okay, this kind of example we already solved in a previous exercise. Common multiple of 4 and 6. Likewise, we can find the common multiple 12, 24 and 36. Here we need to find the lowest common multiple. Common multiple to find करवानो छे, but it must be lowest, means smallest common multiple. So here in this multiple, which one is smallest? That is 12. So lowest common multiple of 4 and 6 will be 12. Clear? So what is lowest common multiple of two or more given number is the lowest, or you can say smallest, or you can say least of their common multiple. Means એમના common multiple માં જે પણ smallest number હોય, that is a LCM. That is called lowest common multiple. બંને નંબરના મલ્ટીપલ ફાઇન્ડ કરો અને બંનેમાં જે લોવેસ્ટ હોય, common multiple માં જે પણ smallest હોય, that will be your lowest common multiple. Here we can solve this example using 3 methods. Okay, 3 method થી LCM find થાય. So here first take an example, find LCM of 6 and 9. So here we perform multiple of 6, that are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Multiple of 9, 9, 18, 27 and 36. Now you can see there are common multiple 18 and 36. But which one is smallest? 18. So LCM of 6 and 9 will be 18. Clear? Now next, you can also find the LCM using prime factorization method. So in prime factorization method, what you have to do? You need to find the prime factor of 6. Means prime factor પણ આપણે learn કર્યું. Prime factor means represent the number as a multiplication of prime number. Prime number ના multiplication ના form માં લખવાનું. So here the prime factors of 6 is 2 multiply 3. You can see 2 and 3 both are prime number. So this is called the prime factorization method. So 6 factor of 6 is 2 into 3, and prime factors of 9 are 3 multiply 3. Now how can you write LCM? You need to write the number of time 2 is repeated. How many times 2 is repeated? You can see there is only one time 2. So write 2. Now how many time? Maximum number of time 3 is repeated. 3 કેટલી વાર repeat થાય છે? You can see 3 is repeated 2 times. So you need to write 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Here you need to write the prime factors of number. Need to count the maximum time prime factors is repeated. Maximum time કેટલી વાર repeat થાય છે એ તમારા LCM માં લખવાનું. So here 2 is repeated one time and 3 is repeated 2 times. So 3 is maximum 2 times, so you need to write 2 times. Now multiply 2 multiply 3 6 6 3s are 80. So LCM is 80. Now also you can find the LCM using third method, that is LCM of 6 and 9. So how can you solve this? First of all, in both number જે પણ નંબર આપ્યા હોય એ બંને નંબરમાં જોવાનું. Is there any number that is divisible by 2? બે નંબરમાં કોઈ પણ નંબર 2 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય છે. So yes, 6 is divisible by 2. So you need to start from 2. 2 3s are 6, but 2 is not divisible. 9 is not divisible by 2. Okay, so 9 as it is. Now in both number, is there any number that is divisible by 2? No. Now check it with 3. Is there any number that divisible by 3? Yes. Both number are divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Now 1 as it is 3. 3 is divisible by 3. So start 3 1s are 3. So what will be LCM? 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. That will be your answer. That is LCM of 6 and 9. Means you can apply 3 methods to find LCM, but in example we will perform this one. Okay, now we will solve some example. Find the LCM of 12 and 18. So here you can apply method 12 and 18. So now, is there any number that is divisible by 2? Yes, 12 is divisible by 2 and 18 is also divisible by 2. So 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18. Clear? Now, is there any number from 6 and 9 that is divisible by 2? Yes, 6 is divisible by 2, but 9 is not divisible by 2. So 9 will be as it is. 2 3s are 6, 9 as it is. Now from 3 and 9, none of them is divisible by 2. બેમાંથી એક પણ 2 થી ડિવાઇડ થશે નહીં. That's why we need to take next prime number, that is 3. So now 3, is there any number that is divisible by 3? Yes, both numbers are divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now one more, 3 1 as it is and 3 1s are 3. You need to write the factors until you get 1 1 at the last step. Clear? So what are the LCM? Factors are, now multiply 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 9, that is 36. LCM, you can also say that LCM means we are finding the number that is divisible by both 12 and 18. આપણે એવો નંબર ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ છીએ કે જે 12 અને 19 બંનેથી ડિવાઇડ થાય, but it must be smallest, lowest. ઓકે, એવો નાનો નંબર ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ છીએ જે 12 અને 18 બંનેથી ડિવાઇડ થાય. અને HCF માં શું કરીએ? એવો મેક્સિમમ નંબર ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ છીએ જે બંને નંબરને ડિવાઇડ કરે. ઓકે, find LCM of 24 and 19. So again we can write 24 and 19. Now you can see here last digit is 4 and here last digit is 0. So both number will be divisible by 2. So 2 12s are 24. Now if you don't know the what is the answer here for 19 is divide 90 with 2. You can write it down for 2 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So it is 45. Now again you can see 12 is divisible by 2. So again you need to take 2. Again you can see 45 is not divisible by 2, so I write 45 as it is. Now 6. 6 6 is again divisible by 2, so again take 2 3s are 6. Now both number are not divisible by 2. હવે બંને નંબર 2 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય નહીં. So take the next number. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, this number is divisible by 3 and this number is divisible by 3. Yes, 15 3s are 40. So you can start with 3. બેમાંથી કોઈ પણ એક નંબર જો 3 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય તો તમારે ફેક્ટર શું લેવો પડે? 3 જ. બંનેમાંથી કોઈ પણ નંબર જો 2 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય તો તમારે ફેક્ટર 2 જ લેવો પડે. ક્લિયર? So now 3 1s are 3, 15 3s are 40. Now again 15 is divisible by 3. So 3 1 as it is. Here 5 3s are 15. Now 5 is not divisible by 3. Now take the next factor, that is 5. So 5 1s are 5. So what are the factors in LCM? 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. You need to perform the multiplication of this. If you perform the multiplication, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 40 9s are 360. So LCM will be 360. It means 360 is the smallest number that is divisible by 24 and 9. Now next, example 10. Find the LCM of 40, 48 and 45. So again, here 3 numbers are given. Means whatever factor you will take here, you need to try to divide that number with, you need to try 3 number with that factor. So for first, this number is divisible by 2, this number is also divisible by 2, 45 is not divisible by 2, so 45 will be as it is 2. 20 2s are 40, 24 2s are 48, 45 as it is. Now again, is there any number that is divisible by 2? Yes, 20 and 24 both divisible by 2. So you need to start with 10s are 12 2s are 24, 45 as it is. Again, is there any number that is divisible by 2? Yes, 10 and 12 both. So 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 45 as it is. Now, is there any number that is divisible by 2? 5 is not divisible by 2, but 6 is divisible by 2. 45 is not divisible by 2, so you need to take 2. 3 divide by 6 divide by 2 એટલે 2 જ ફેક્ટર લેવો પડે. So 2 3s are 6 and 45. Now 5 3 and 15 not divisible by 2, so take next prime number, that is 3. 3 1s are 3, 15 3s are 40. Now, is there any number that is divisible by 3? Yes, 15 is divisible by 3. 5 3s are 15. Now, 5 1s are 5 and 5 1s are clear. So, factors are LCM will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3 multiply 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16, 16 5s are 80, 3 3s are 9. 720 will be your LCM. If you multiply this number, you will get 720. Find LCM of 20, 25 and 30. So again we start with, you need to check which number is divisible by 2. 20 and 30 both are divisible by 2. So 2 10s are 25 as it is because it is not divisible by 2. And 30 will be divisible by 2. 15 2s are. Now 2 is 10 is divisible by 2. 5 2s are 10. 25. 15 is not divisible by 2. So as it is. Now is there any number that is divisible by 2? 5, 25, 15? No. Now you need to take next prime number, that is 3. Is there any number that is divisible by 2? 5 is not divisible, 25 is not divisible, but 15 is divisible. So you need to take factor 3. 5 3s are 15. Now, is there any number that is divisible by 3? No. Now you need to take next prime factor, that is 5. 5 ones are, 5 fives are, and 5 ones are. Again, 5 ones are 5. So LCM 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5. 5 fives are 25. 25 fours are 100. 100 threes are 300. So your LCM will be 300. Means 300 is the smallest number that is divisible by 20, 25 and 30. Example 12. Find LCM of 36 and 54. So again you can start 36, 54. Is there any number that is divisible by 2? So yes, both numbers are divisible by 2. Last digit is even. So 2, 18s are 36 and 27s are 54. If you don't know that is 27s are 54, you can divide 54 with 2. You will get 27. So now, is there any number that is divisible by 2? Yes, 18 is divisible by 2. So 2 9s are 18, 27 as it is. जो divide ना करे तो ये number as it is लगवाना. Now both number are not divisible by 2. So take next prime number, that is 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Again 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 3 1s are 3. So factors are LCM will be 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 4s are 108. Means 10 is the LCM of number. Clear? Now next, LCM of 42, 56 and 70. Okay. So again start with 2. 21. Divide 56 with 2. You will get 28. Divide 70 with 2. You will get 35. Now again you can see 21 is not divisible by 2, but 28 is divisible by 2. So take 2, 40, 30. Now again you can see 14 is divisible by 2. Now, is there any number that is divisible by 2? No. So take next prime number, take 3. Yes, 21 is divisible by 3. So 7 3s are 21. 7 as it is. 35 will be as it is because it is not divisible by 3. Now take next prime number 5. Is there any number that is divisible by 5? Yes, 35 is divisible by 5. 7 5s are 35. 7 1s are 7. So LCM will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 5 multiply 7. 7 5s are 35. 2s are 70. 2s are 140. 280 multiply 3. 840 will be your answer. So LCM of 42, 56 and 70 will be 840.